Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we'll be painting lily flowers using one stroke technique. I got inspired to paint them from my recent travel and wanted to share with you all an easy technique to paint this. So let's enjoy coloring. For this you can use any drawing paper or these colorful sheets. You can also use a canvas, but as a beginner I won't suggest that because the surface is quite rough and the brush will not move very smoothly. So as a beginner you can start practicing and start enjoying this painting on a drawing paper. So here I am taking a flat brush and I am dipping it in water, and now remove the excess water with the help of tissue paper. This will help the brush to remain moist and the colors won't dry very quickly. You can also use acrylic medium in place of water. So before we start, I would like to tell you about the right types of brushes used for making one stroke painting. So always choose a flat brush with stiff brushes and chisel end or top end like this. It will help you in getting the desired effect and in smooth movement of the brush, and will help you in getting the defined ends. We also use angular brushes and dagger brushes. These are used for making the petals and leaves. They help us in making one stroke paintings very easily. But if you don't have it, you don't have to worry at all. You can easily paint it using simple flat brushes that I'll share with you in the video. Also choose a round brush with stiff and soft bristles like this for making flowers. And for making large flowers, use a large flat brush like this with well-defined chisel end to get the desired stroke. And don't choose a brush like this where the top end is not stiff and the bristles are very weak. You won't be able to get the desired effect using them. Also, brushes like this who have very weak or very soft bristles, they are also not useful for making this painting. For large brushes like this who have thick edges and the bristles are spoiled, even they won't be used for making one stroke, but this brush is great for blending. So choose brushes like this with soft and smooth bristles which are useful for easy movement of the brush, and don't choose these ones. So now let's enjoy coloring. Here I am picking up colors on both the ends of the brush and mixing the color like this. You should blend the colors very well at this stage, only then a beautiful blended effect will be seen on the flower. Also use acrylic medium if the colors are drying. Before you begin painting the flower, you can always mark point for the right placement of the flower. And now let's make a one stroke petal like this. So one tip, before you make this on the final sheet, I would suggest you to first learn the movement of the brush on a rough sheet. This will help you to learn how to control the direction and movement of the brush, where you just need to notice the top end of the brush for giving the desired end or look to the flower. So practice this on rough and you'll be able to do it very easily. Also, lilies have 3 petals, so we make 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top. So one stroke paintings are amazing. You can make any flower by just one stroke. You just need to practice a little bit. At this stage, the flowers will look very flat. So now add twist and movement on the petals for that natural look. So now let's make leaves. For that, take a small flat brush and dip it in water and remove all the excess water. You can also use liquid medium. If you don't have it, you can always use water, but liquid medium works the best. Now let's make leaves using a dagger or an angular brush. So basically, because of the shape of the brush, it makes it very easy to make leaves and petals. Which does not mean if we don't have it, we cannot make leaves. I have already shown you the entire process by using a flat brush. So these brushes just make your work easy and you achieve better finishing, but you also can use simple flat brushes for making these. And now it's ready! And thank you for your lovely response on my previous video, which was powered by Skillshare. And you found the free subscription very useful, so Skillshare has been generous enough to sponsor the video again. So Skillshare is an online course which gives you thousands of courses, that too with the personal guidance of your teacher. You can learn any hobby of yours like playing piano, gardening, or even learn professional courses from great artists. Like Megan Morrison, you can learn fashion illustrations from great illustrators here just by sitting at the comfort of your home. And even if you wish to take your watercolor love forward, then follow some great watercolor artists on Skillshare. And thank you so much for sending me a lot of messages and requests to have my own online art classes. And yes, very soon I'll be launching my own online art academy, where I'll be able to teach you art with my personal guidance and support. I have been working on it from a very long time now and will announce it very soon. And today here at Skillshare, my first 500 subscribers who register through my code, which is mentioned in the description box, will get free 2 months of subscription. So don't forget to explore your hidden goodness and check out the link in the description box. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.